I'm leaving the Vincent Hotel, $20 a night, to the street to look for food. Let's see how long it will take me. It is 9:30-ish right now, and a little bit hungry. Sisley. Hey, you know the coffee in the room, is it free? Water free, right?
Pausing workout.
Today you check out or continue?
I'll give you one more night. I give you you know the coffee, is it free? No money, right?
Free. If you clean, okay.
Huh?
You clean the room or not today? Or you no clean, you just want water or
Yeah,
coffee, okay.
Just give me water free, okay. I don't need clean.
Okay.
Oh shoot. I'll go up. I forgot my money in my room. I come back. $20? No, $40.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Yeah. I come back. The girl seems nice. I mean, the concierge. You know, the problem with spending too much time on prostitutes is what I said yesterday when I was drunk is true. They are looking for love, but they're looking for money, and sometimes maybe normal women also have the same feeling, but their expression is not as direct. It's like, I'm not a study of expressions, but you definitely feel the bitchiness with prostitutes. I don't know how to explain it, but if I'm trying to master the art of understanding people, sometimes I don't know how to identify. You know, yesterday I always feel awkward when a man complains that a woman is a slut or a whore or what do we call the other term? Slut, whore. I haven't identified what those words are really yet, or the difference in labeling women, but I honestly have trouble using those words because maybe I'm trying to come up with my own vocabulary in terms of how to identify a human. It's like, I don't even want to use the word B, so that's why I call it ditch, just so that I don't get in trouble when I say it openly on Facebook or social media, because everything has to be so sensitive, or by saying this you're hurting people's feelings. So I go, well then I'm Chinese, I didn't spell certain words properly. This is my own language.
Resuming workout. Pausing workout.
50. Thank you. Okay. How about getting a drink?
Resuming
cents.
workout.
75 cents.
Pausing workout.
I'm gonna save 25 cents if I buy it at the grocery store, so save 25 cents. This is the 136 Poplar Street.
Resuming workout.
Conveniently located across downstairs is the Smile, I guess. I mean, it's the Smile, what you call it? Oh, this Smile 7-Eleven convenient 24-hour. So let's get a headphone for $4. Let's see if it works. Tuesday, I come and buy the Samsung headphones from yesterday. How much is this one?